Hey, boy. Aye. So you're probably thinking, what's that intro all about? Where's me POV of the recent event? Where's my vlog from the build up before that? Well, all I can say is bike's itself again. As you seen in the last video, I did the oil change, warmed her up, turned her off, and then when I came back in again, massive oil everywhere. And it is new because it's still wet all over the cloth, everywhere, all over the stand. Thankfully, Farrell's came and picked it up for me and it's gone back to where it got built. And fingers crossed it's only a quick fix. Worst case scenario, I reckon about £500 on new covers, because of magnesium and a common problem. They they just wear away, and it is what, 16 years old, a bike. So with that said, Farrell's Instagram will be below in the description. Go and leave a heart on his recent picture and tell him we sent him as a thank you. Whilst you're in the description, why not check out the shop? We've got new hats and hoodies coming soon. A nice little winter bundle, which may or may not be up when this when this video is up. Who knows? Who knows?
2 weeks later.
So it's actually been more than 2 weeks, unfortunately. Life's got in the way, lockdowns. I've gained about 2 stone and I've got new glasses since the last clip. But I can confirm the bike is back. Where was it? For the first time round, it was confirmed that the gasket on the, where are we? Chain tensioner. On the chain tensioner was gone, so Andy fixed that for nothing. Very kind of him. I've been out on it since then. As per the last video, you'll recognise this clip. Since then, I got panicked and I took him to KMS and they confirmed it was just a battery was flat, which I thought was a bit odd because it's got a kickstart, so surely there would be enough to get it going on that, but it just wasn't playing ball. With that said, I got a nice list back of parts that are required for KMS as well, which is handlebars, brake pads, front and back, loose spokes, chains, sprockets. Just never ends with this thing at the moment. As the island's gone into 3-week lockdown, which I can't see being 3 weeks, unfortunately. A lot of cases, a lot of numbers. Just Google it and you'll see the rest. And not really want to bore you with all the facts and figures, but it's there and we're in lockdown, so that gives me perfect chance to strip down this like what I do in winter. Do a nut and bolt check on it. Change a few things, like get rid of that. Look how bent that is. As I walked back in this morning now, I noticed we have another oil leak somewhere. So she's definitely got to come apart. We've got all new parts up there waiting to go on anyway. Si Fulton got his KTM frame powder coated orange. I'll drop a picture here. And that's just triggering me to want to get that black or red or something along those lines. So we shall see. So I'll probably end the video here on that note. Like I said, Farrell's Instagram's down in the description. Go and feed his ego. Ours is down there. There's a donate page if you want to help the cause. Any ideas on what to look out for when stripping the bike, let us know. More than welcome in the comments. Subscribe if you're new, because this amount of people that watch our videos aren't subscribed. Don't know why. I mean, pretty amazing content if you ask me, but that's just my opinion. And until the next video, be safe. I hope you're well. If you want to chat, just comment below and we'll reply.